Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the zip hydro tap water filter, and you can see here at the moment it's showing 0% and I need to change the filter. Now to begin, get yourself a bucket and a towel. Then on your zip hydro tap, tap on the menu, then tap on install and tap on filter flush. That will stop the machine and have it ready to allow you to change the filter. So here is the opening, so we can just open it, and once you open that, we need to pull out this tube right here. So pull out these water tubes so that we can release some water pressure from it. Also, this is the replacement part you can get. Just make sure you get the right part number. So here you got I've got 91290. So look for your previous water filter and you can just check the part number and you can buy the replacement with the same part number. Now you want to turn this stop clock switch to release any water pressure. If there is some water pressure in here, it will release the water out into the bucket. Once the water has been released, you can tighten the clock, the stop clock water again. Now there is a red lever right here. We can push it in and have this one a quarter turn to the left. So push it in like this, and then have it quarter turn, and you can pull down and just carefully take this old filter out. If there are any water spill, you can just dry it off like so. Now with your new filter, open up the cap and do not touch the O-ring, so do not touch the part at all, and then we're just going to insert it back into here, and we need to, again, once you insert it, we need to turn it a quarter turn. So push it all the way up and then turn a quarter turn. Now turn. As you turn, you should hear a small click from the red button. Once it clicks in, you can see this one will not move anymore. Now we put this switch into the bucket in here and open the switch. And on the machine, now press the start button. Now you should see the water start flowing into the bucket. You want to fill up the bucket of at least 10 liters of water. Okay, once you have 10 liters of water passing through the filter, we can now stop. So press the stop button here. Then on the stop switch, we're just going to twist it and make sure it is locked to the stop position. Then now to complete the process, tap on the back key and then tap on filter reset, then tap on reset internal filter, and that will start to reset the clock counter on the filter. So if you press on the home, it is now back at 100%, and that's it. So we have now completed the process of changing the zip hydro tap filter. Now at the bottom here, it's got the install date, so we can write down the install date. So just write down the installation date for this filter, and that's it. Your water filter is now ready for use. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.